Using the right power cord maximizes organization and efficiency of your equipment. It helps eliminate excess cable and the hassles associated with hiding extra cable. It can also prevent interference by reducing the amount of contact existing cable has with power cables. Upgrading your power cords is a relatively inexpensive solution that has big impact on the performance of your equipment. The C14 to C19 power cord is used to connect servers to power distribution units, or PDUs. The C19 connector plugs into the C20 connector on your server, while the C14 connects to the PDU. Our cables are rated for 15 amps and can be used in either 120 volt or 250 volt circuits.